Okay, so in recognition of the fact that I've now got 54 subscribers, last time I looked I had 4, I'm going to try and make a bit of a video on what I'm actually getting up to. A couple of drawbacks here is we don't have proper internet. We're quite often on 128 kilobytes, would you believe? And there's a lot of street noise and the lighting's not good, but I'll try and let you know what I'm getting up to. And here we go. This is my Escort 4-door, which I'm going to change the colour. It's going to have to be white. So, this one is actually in really good condition. Once you scrape all the stale crap and everything off. Unfortunately, the worst part about it is the repairs that have been done before. The front floor pans. They're absolutely shocking. What they did was they went the floor pans in and didn't bother welding them to the chassis rails, which are here. Get my finger right through there. Tidy. Mind you, what they did do was fill all those gaps up with filler. Make it nice and strong, eh? So now, I've got to put all that right. So, what else have we been up to? This was a square headlamp car. Of course, there's no such thing as spares around here in Thailand, so that's the wrong side actually, but you can see what I'm doing. I've had to cut up a scrap shell, grill even, because I've cut up dozens of scrap shells already, and make myself a round grill. That's the famous Nissan A6C 1400 piece of crap. They fit that in virtually every car here. And there's some of the crap that's coming out the floor. That's all original steel there. I've no idea where they beat the crap out of the seat rail, so that's going to have to be cut up and straightened out. That lot wants straightening out. But this is still quite a good car. So we're going to press on and get this one done. Also, it's got papers on it, so it means I could export it. So if you're sat back there in the UK and you want to get yourself a nice little 4-door, cheaper than what they normally cost, bear that in mind. And for the ones that can't be saved, I might as well get comfortable on them. I'm probably the only guy with an Escort van sofa. Twin charger. So, that's probably about as all I can upload in one go, so I'll stick another video up later on. Give us a like or something, I could do with a few of them. Cheers.